Imagine you've just dropped a significant amount of money on an e-commerce business, only to realize it's not quite what you expected. Ever wondered, how do I get my money back? Today, we're diving deep into the world of AliDropship refunds. We'll explore the ins and outs of getting your money back from this popular e-commerce platform. So, stick around and let's find out if it's possible to reverse that purchase. Understanding AliDropship. Before we get into the refund process, let's quickly understand what AliDropship is. It's essentially a platform that allows you to create your own online store, using products directly from AliExpress. You can customize your store, add your branding, and even automate the entire process. Reasons for refunds. Now, why might you want a refund from AliDropship? There could be several reasons, such as misrepresentation. The platform might not have been as advertised. Technical issues. You might be facing problems with the store's functionality. Dissatisfaction with service. The support or customer service might not be up to par. Financial constraints. You might have simply changed your mind or encountered financial difficulties. Refund policy. AliDropship does have a refund policy, but it's important to understand the terms and conditions. Typically, they offer refunds within a certain time frame after purchase. However, there might be specific exceptions or requirements, so it's crucial to read the policy carefully. Steps to request a refund. Now, let's get to the practical part. How to request a refund from AliDropship. Here are the general steps involved. Contact support. Reach out to AliDropship's customer support team. They can be contacted via email or live chat. Explain your reason. Clearly state why you're requesting a refund. Be specific and provide evidence if possible. Provide proof. If you have screenshots, emails, or other documentation supporting your claim, share them. Follow up. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with your request. Refund process. Once you've submitted your refund request, AliDropship will review it. If your request is valid and meets their refund policy criteria, they will process your refund. The refund can usually be issued to the original payment method. Tips for a successful refund. Here are some tips to increase your chances of a successful refund. Be polite and professional. Maintain a respectful tone in your communication. Provide clear evidence. The more evidence you can provide, the stronger your case. Be patient. The refund process might take some time. Know your rights. Familiarize yourself with consumer protection laws in your region. Alternative solutions. If you're unable to get a full refund, there might be other options to consider. Partial refund. You might be able to negotiate a partial refund. Store credit. AliDropship might offer store credit instead of a cash refund. Technical support. If you're facing technical issues, they might offer technical support to resolve them. Getting a refund from AliDropship can be a bit of a process, but it's not impossible. By understanding their refund policy, following the correct steps, and providing sufficient evidence, you can increase your chances of a successful outcome. Remember, patience and persistence are key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.